Alright guys, so this is part 3. Let's see if it binds. I don't think so. So the ESC I believe is over here. I tried taking a look at the ESC to see if there's something that you can maybe press for binding. Is there a button that you can press for binding? No. As far as I can tell, there's no button that you can suddenly press to bind this thing. And yeah, really getting on my nerves. You can see that there is a slot for the micro SD card that goes in there, but this thing is getting really hot on the top. I'm not sure if that is what it should be doing or not, but this quad has a bunch of issues that I'm not really happy with, including the fact that this antenna is not done correctly. You know, if the rotor is on here, the blade starts turning, you know it's going to cause some issues there. And this one is not.
Likey.